Hey guys, welcome back to 2 Minute Coder. Today we're doing HackerRank problem tower breakers. So just take a moment to pause the video and read the question. All right, so this is one of those problems where you really have to logic it out before trying to code something. So let's do that, right? Let's see in what case player 1 wins and in which case player 2 wins. Right. If you think about the problem enough, you can see that the crux of the situation is who can copy who, right? And the copycat wins, basically. All right. So what do I mean by that? If there are an even number of towers, so if towers is even, right, this means that player 2 can copy player 1 and be the person with the last move, right? And this is the case because if there are 2 towers each, so m is equal to 2, player 1 can reduce one of the towers down to 1, and then player 2 reduces the other tower down to 1, and now player 1 has no more moves left because both of the heights are 1, right? So player 2 wins in every scenario that the number of towers is even because he can copy, right? However, what if the towers are odd, right? So if the towers are odd, then that means that player 1 can win the first one, right, by reducing the tower down to 1, leaving the number of towers even, and player 2 going first, right? So now that player 2 is going first, this means that player 1 is the copycat. So player 1 wins, right? But what if the number of, what if the height of the tower is 1, right? Then this means that there are no moves for player 1, meaning that player 2 wins automatically, right? So let's code this out. So let's use height and towers instead of m and n because then it just gets confusing. So height is equal to m and number of towers, or I'll say num towers is n, right? So in what case does player 2 win? If the towers are even or if the height is equal to 1 or the num towers modulo 2 is equal to 0. Sorry, that's the and sign. Modulo 2 is equal to 0. Right, in this case we return 2. And in every other case we return 1. Right, so let's run this code. Yep, and to submit now. Great, so hope you guys enjoyed and subscribe for more.